ng tutubi, and this is usually performed with the onset of the rainy season because along with the rainy season comes the planting season. And it's their way of informing the tribes about the sudden changes in weather. So for the Dragonfly Dance to be performed by Kuya Greg. So noong unang panahon po, wala pa pong mga televisions, radios, even magazines or newspapers. So it's their way of forecasting the weather. So that's again po, Dragonfly Dance or Sayo ng Tutubi. So for those who want to dance with Kuya Greg, lapit lang po sa akin, but you have to wear a bahag din para fair. Sa mga sasayaw, magkabahag din po. Pero extra bahag sa likod. Alright, so another round of applause for Kuya Greg. For the second dance po, is a form of a hunting dance or a monkey dance. So before we sumayaw, lift po muna sa dalawang puno na yan. May bababang po kasi dyan. Okay. So for the monkey dance or sayo ng unggoy, so they actually believe that monkeys are the great